Some people like to finish off their days with a soothing, nice cup of tea. I think that it's more fun to make the tea bags into rocket ships. The tremendous Teabag rocket is a marvel of engineering. It's also really simple to do. It's one of my favourite experiments and I can't wait to show you it now. You need 6 things. 6. A glass of water. That's not to keep healthy and hydrated, though you should do that. It's for these matches. So I'm afraid that you will need a parent or guardian to look after you. Sorry, it's boring, but this experiment is worth it. Look at it as a price for using tea. You're going to need one of these special posh herby tea bags you might find at the back of your mum's cupboard. They are a little bit expensive, but I swear it's worth it. Finally, you need a plate, some scissors, and a container of some kind. This is to keep your tea leaves in. So, open up your tea bag. So use one of these types of tea bags with a string on the end. Get the tea leaves to the bottom and snip off the top. I've done this a little bit unevenly, so I'll probably have to modify this in a moment. Pour the tea leaves into the container. There we go. And then make this into a nice, even cylinder if you can. So it's got to be empty all the way through the middle. You unravel it, make it into a long tube. There we go, it's just about standing on my plate. A little bit uneven. Now here's a cool bit. Do you know what, actually I'm going to modify that a little bit. Never be ashamed to admit your mistakes. That's how science works. You stick that on your plate. Here's a fun bit. Light your match and then light both sides of it on fire.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thunderbirds are go.
Let's see if I can catch it. It's very, very floaty, so it's difficult to get. There we are. Oh, and it's just fallen off my plate. So what happened here? Well, it's actually it's quite simple, really. Hot air rises. So when you have a tea bag that you are heating up, the air on the inside of the tea bag becomes hotter than that on the outside because of the both sides of flame crashing into each other. And that means that the tea bag is light enough that it is lifted up with the hot air into the atmosphere. So I'll try and show you that again now. This is one I did earlier from a previous take. I can't just magic empty tea bags out of the air as much as I'd like to. There we are. Hope you enjoyed. See you soon.